What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today just wanted to make a little video on how to change the chain and sprocket on this particular model, which is a Polaris Scrambler. As you can see, I already got the tire off. That's obviously your first step, jack it up. Next step, if you can see, it's kind of hard to tell, but there's a little cotter pin right there. You got to pull that out to take the big nut off that's holding your hub on. Hopefully we can get it out here. Doesn't always come easy. Now I gotta take this big nut off, and then we can take the hub off. Finally found the damn nut size. It is 1 1/8. So go ahead and spin this out of here. And she is not going to want to come easy, that's for sure. So we're going to get the hammer. I'm going to try the rubber mallet first. Ooh, shit. And that came off actually not too bad. And luckily, looks to be in pretty good shape. Cool. That is nice. So now, next step, we can go ahead and take off this spacer here. And by the way, this is a 14 mil that I'm going to be using to take this off. And it's going to be difficult when wheels are ready to move, so that sucks. So I'm going to drop this down a little bit. Hopefully that'll be enough just to not move it. Ugh. Fuck. Oh, that sucks. One down, free to go. Go ahead and spin that around so you have nice room to work with on the other side. Ugh, man, these things don't want to break. Oh, shit. That's what happens when nuts haven't come off in 10 plus years. Damn, man. One more to go. Third time's a charm, eh? That tea bag. And she's off. Take your spacer off. Doesn't look too bad. Definitely gonna clean her up a bit. Second spacer. Now we go ahead, loosen that chain a bit. Now if you could see, let's try to zoom in a little bit. All right, my finger's too dirty to zoom in. If you can see, you got to find the link with this little, you can see it's like a little tab. That's the link you got to find to go ahead and remove that chain. So just grab yourself a pair of needle nosers. Pop that puppy off. If we can get a grip. There we go. Oh. Then you just kind of bang her out of there. Oh. It's always a fun part. All right, let's try the screwdriver. Damn, does not want to come out. See, what's supposed to happen here is this link is supposed to pop off once you get the secured tab off of it. But of course, when you're working on stuff, that's never just what happens nicely. Oh, man, that is fucking on there. Holy shit. All right, folks, after years of struggle, I finally got that damn tab off. She did not want to leave. That was rough. There it is, all in its stubborn glory. So now, just got 3 more bolts to take off to get your sprocket loose. Because mind you, I'm doing the sprockets and the chain, not just the chain job. Obviously, you wouldn't have to really do any of this with just the chain. Relatively speaking, it should have been an easy job if you're just doing the chain. Cool, more stuff parts. Just what you love. More down the bottom. And there she goes. So now that sprocket should come off. Getting stuck on the chain guard, and I really don't want to take that off, so we're going to try to work around this. Come on, girl. There we go. There we are. Sweet. And she's a bit dirty, if you can tell. Lots of years of, not abuse, but God. Thank God, Jimmy. The new sprockets line up, boys. That's nice. Definitely happy about that one. Alright, next you gotta move on and take off this plastic cover to access the front sprocket. So that's what we're doing next. And I'll be right back, folks. Gonna find the correct tools for this and clean up the spacers. All right, so where we're at now is I just spent forever trying to get, there's a little snap ring that holds this front sprocket on, and I definitely advise to pick up a pair of snap ring pliers before you start this project, because I didn't have any, and it was a bitch getting that thing off, to say the least. So now I got the new sprocket on. Obviously there's an indent kind of on the sprocket, you can see, so make sure that goes in. You know, put the new one on the same way you took the old one off. Now we're at the point where I'm gonna be putting the new, well, first off I'm gonna obviously put the new rear sprocket on, and then we're gonna put the new chain on. So that's where we're at. as of now. All right, so finally got that snap ring in. So that's what you got to do next. Put that snap ring in. Then obviously fed the chain. It comes with a new link and the pin that holds the new link in. So just pinch that together. It's kind of a bitch, but whatever. Then you just put that spacer on, this spacer on, tighten them down. And then I'm gonna finish putting my spindle on and then tighten up my chain, and I should be ready to go. All right, guys, so I finished up here. Sorry I didn't go completely step by step. I just ran into so many problems per usual, you know, when you're working on stuff. So I had to stop recording for, you know, a few and deal with that stuff. But obviously put this plastic piece back on, come back around, you know, obviously make sure all your connections are good. You know, definitely make sure the link that you had to add is nice and tight. Like I said earlier, make sure you put all these spacers back on, put your spindle back on, which is obviously easy, and then I put my tire back on, and then I had to tighten my chain, which is a simple process. Let me know if you want to make a video in the comments. I'll make a video on how to tighten the chain. But yeah, pretty, it's one of those things to where if you didn't run into problems, then it's not too bad of a job. But, you know, that's just what it is when you're working on stuff, obviously. So, hope this video helped some people out. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to lube her up. Thanks for watching.